Hi, how you doing everybody? Please welcome back to Learning English with TSK. And today we're going to continue about the present simple tense. And you remember for the previous lesson I gave you the form of present simple and it is only 4 subjects. But today we are going to move to the third person singular subject. Okay? And this is all the form. I'm going to explain it to you clearly about how to use third person singular form and also the spelling of the form. Please have a look at this. On the whiteboard, I divided into 3 forms: positive, negative, and question. You can see the form. The normal form of the positive is subject plus verb, 80% of the verb, V plus S, and plus object, just only 80%. And if you go to negative, we have got subject, you use does, not, plus verb, there is no S here. And then object. And when we go to question, we use does plus subject plus verb, no S at the verb, and plus object. We only add S to the verb, it's only the positive sentence. We do not add S to the negative, and we do not add S to the question. Alright? Just remember. Now, look at the example. Let's have a look at the example. He cooks fish. He cooks fish. So why do we have S here? Why? The thing is that when we use with the third person singular, we add S, we normally add S to the base form of the verb. But we use only in the affirmative or positive form. Are you clear? Now, let's go again. He cooks fish. Another one. She buys vegetable. She buys vegetable. It bites the mouse. This is the affirmative form with the third person singular. And then now we go to negative. Subject plus does, not, plus verb plus object. Example, he does not cook fish. There is no S. There is no S at the end of the word cook here. The reason is this sentence is the negative one. It is not positive. As I told you, just keep in mind, the verb you can add S is only used in the positive form. When we use in negative form and question form, there is no S anymore. That's why you have to keep in mind. Here we go. He does not cook fish. He does not cook fish. Another one. She does not buy vegetable. There is no S at the end of the word buy. The reason is you don't use this positive sentence. You use this negative sentence. That's why we have she does not. So buy, no S. She does not buy vegetable. It does not bite the mouse. So bite here also we don't have S. We have S or we don't have S, we have to have a look at the positive sentence. In the positive sentence, we can add S according to the subject. He, she, and it. Even though this one also he, she, and it, but this one is not positive sentence. This is the negative one, alright? So there is no S at the end of the verb, right? Now let's go to question. If we use the question, we have does plus subject plus verb plus object. For example, does he cook fish? Cook also no S. The reason it is the question sentence, it is not positive, right? Another one, does she buy vegetables? Does she buy vegetables? Does it bite the mouse? So, if you look at the form, you have positive form, you have negative form, you have question form. So, today I'm going to let you know and understand and remember exactly how to make the form of the present simple with the third person singular. Okay, now let's go again. In the positive form, we use subject plus verb plus s. 80% of the verb we plus s. I told you 80% of the verb we plus s when we use with the third person singular and in the present simple tense. Okay, just remember. When we use with other subject like I, we, you and they, you do not think about s anymore. Okay? Inside the sentence, if you see the subject he, she or it, you must think about the verb. Is it s or no s? We have to put s. But the spelling of using s, it doesn't mean that we have only add s to the end of the verb. We have got other exception. Alright? Again, he cooks fish. She buys vegetable. It bites the mouse. Negative, he doesn't cook fish. She doesn't buy vegetables. It does not bite the mouse. And then, question, does subject plus verb plus object. Alright, does he cook fish? Does she buy vegetable? Does it bite the mouse? So, are you clear now? If you are clear now, we are going to move to the next step. Okay? If you have any question, I'm going to tell you. Thank you.